How to delete your eBay account. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video I will simply show you how you can delete your account on eBay, so you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our eBay account, what we have to do is, you can do this from the app as well, but I'm just going to open up my browser. And you want to simply go to ebay.com. As you can see, I'm also on ebay.com and I'm signed into my account, so you also want to make sure that you are signed in as well. And once you do so, just tap on the profile icon from the very top of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon over here at the bottom, you want to simply look for the option that says account. So just go ahead and tap on the account option. As soon as you tap on the account option, you'll be taken to this specific page over here, and right over here under account preferences, you can look for the option called close account. So I'm sure you can see it as well. Just tap on the close account button and this will take us to a page as to how we can delete our account. And as you tap on closing your account, you'll see all this sorts of information. Now you can read all of these tips and tricks that you can do before you try to delete your account, and some of the information that you can download, and why you do not want to delete your account but maybe actually deactivate it. But ignoring all of that, scroll down to the bottom and look for the close account button and just tap on the close account button that you see. It may or may not ask you for a password, so you just need to select why you are leaving over here. Once you select the reason as to why you are leaving, you can just go ahead and then agree to the terms and conditions and just select any of the reasons as well. Once you select the reasons, scroll down and then tap on the submit button from the bottom of the screen, and as soon as you've done that, you would have successfully deleted your eBay account. That's all it takes to delete your eBay account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.